Annual consumer price inflation has dropped to its lowest level in 3.5 years. CPI actually cooling for a fourth month in a row. It eased to 3.8% in September. That is down from 4.4% the previous month. Now, what does it mean? On average, prices increased by 0.1% between August 24 and September 24. But it's a bit more detailed than that. Transport inflation continues to ease up, which is good news due to lower food prices, or rather fuel prices, I beg your pardon. But annual food and non-alcoholic beverages, that inflation remains unchanged. Still pricey, but not going up. It was largely due to the higher rates on vegetables, fruit, cold beverages, fish as well. Now, inflation for milk, eggs and cheese was stable.
Significant decline in consumer inflation in September was widely expected and, of course, provides significant relief to consumers. This comes to a large extent from the significant decline in fuel prices in recent months, and there could indeed be a further decline in consumer inflation in October on the back of another fuel price cut. However, we have already started seeing a slight increase in oil prices and slight depreciation in the rand exchange rate from its strongest levels, and so October is likely to be the bottom of this inflation cycle, with a slight increase in inflation projected from November. But general inflation pressure also remains quite benign, and we expect that inflation will trend around the middle of the Reserve Bank's 3 to 6% inflation target in the medium term. That, of course, provides scope for the Reserve Bank to cut interest rates further and therefore provide additional relief to the economy.